Okay, we're back, folks. You see that? You see that? It's another grain bag, but it's actually a dog food bag with the little threads there. And what we're going to do is try to reenact. So if you can see that, a little loop, and then if you turn it over, the thread stops there. So, and on the other side here, okay, see that? It's almost got the same thing. So, I'm going to turn this around. Figure this is probably how it's going to be. The little loop kind of gave it away. I figure I have to get to pull that thread away from it and it'll all pop out, right? Okay? But you see these hands? They're not sausage fingers. These are hands of a painter, so they're not delicate. They're like sinewy vines or something, right? But they're not sausage fingers of a classic farmer. So I'm going to get sausage fingers and then I'll come back and we'll see if we can open this. This is what I figure it must feel like to have hands like sausages. Feel like kind of like this, like 3 layers of gloves onto a working Android hand. I've seen the farmers' hands around here and they're fucking massive, right? And they're working like this. They're like, okay, so we bring back this little thread there. Maybe I would just grab it and pull it. Whoa! Somebody came. Whoa! I'm liking that. Look at that. It's pulling. It's pulling with my big fingers, my big sausage fingers. Look at that. The dog gets to eat tonight. Yeah.